All right. It's your boy EK from BK. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. All right, video we're gonna be doing today, right? It's called Big Truck Rally. They basically went to the U-Haul, set it up. They got boxes in the back of the U-Haul. They in the hood, of course, and they put basically oil all over the ground. So let's check this video out. I think it's gonna be fucking hilarious. So let's check it out and go from there. Oh, they got two.
Oh, hell.
Damn, got her. Y'all should have never went in there. I'm telling you, fuckers going. Body. 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 God. Damn. Yo. God dang. That's dirty. Hey, it's messed up, but they the ones that went in that van to try to take them boxes.
Come on now. Come on now.
God damn. Dirty. But they went in there. That's messed up, but they went in there.
Wait a couple seconds.
Yo, these dudes pros at it. What's going on? What's going on?
We got something, boys. And guess what? We got a new surprise for him. Slam it. Oh, slam it.
Hey, it's fucked up, but he put himself in that predicament. He holding on though. See? Here's what you get for being dumb.
his eyes. Oh, Christ. His eyes are probably burning.
Is he crying?
You ready, boys? Yeah. I'm gonna light him up like it's Christmas freaking morning. Let's get him. Ready? Open it up!
Damn. Dirt McGirt.
What happened?
Dirty. I mean, it's
Christmas freaking morning! Thank you guys so much for sticking to the end.
it's dirty what they doing, but that teaches you a lesson. Like, you can't, no matter what situation you in, no matter if you're poor, if you can't go around trying to take other people's stuff, because you might end up losing your life. That might be a lesson learned for both of them, because even though they messed with them, had them slide and stuff, somebody else could have took their life. So take that as a lesson learned. I'm EK from BK. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Peace. Love you.